everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about odor control. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, now's a good time. Just go ahead and click that red button right there and then ring the notification bell that pops up afterwards. That way you don't miss out on any of these educational videos. All right, odor control. I'm not just talking about that odor control. I'm talking about a whole bunch of them. That's why I'm doing this on one of the odds and ends where we talk about a bunch of things. So the odor control I'm talking about can be everywhere, everything from body odor, foot odor, bathroom odor, diaper pail odor, trash can odor, all the funky smells in and around your house you need to take care of. That's what I'm talking about, especially for your trash can. Because if, say, the balloon goes up and you're still eating nice and fine and everything because you have your 2-year supply of food or whatever, and the fat and stuff off your meats and stuff is going in the trash can and everything else, and your neighbors are going by and they're going, someone's been grilling, or someone's cooked this up, or something in the trash can here, and they look and they see all that meat in there because they can smell it. They're going to know that you have food. So you want to make sure your trash can stuff is all odor free. Your inside the trash cans, that the bags and stuff, have a can of Lysol or whatever to spray it down so the smells aren't there. Try to control the smells, and then of course, yes, we're talking about the smells from your body as well. So you don't want to be putting on the fancy proof stuff to hide the smells, because hey, that stings money. So what you want to do is get something like Menon Unscented. That's what we used to use when we go deer hunting all the time. We use that to hide our scent, and it doesn't have any perfume scents in it that can alert the deer. So that's some of the stuff we would use. Alrighty, so think about all the odors around your house and how you're going to control them. And of course, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your food supply, your water supply, and everything else you need. Why? Well, this is why.